Hey there and welcome to another video. After watching this video, you will be able to remove the Activate Windows watermark that frequently keeps appearing on your computer screen. I have 3 solutions to remove this watermark which will absolutely work in almost any case. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let us give it a start by the method 1. At first you need to go to the search box and type in regedit regedit, and once you do so, simply give it the administrator permission and you will see something like this. From here you need to go to H key current user. Once you do that, you need to click on the drop down arrow over there of control panel. Then you need to go to the desktop and you will find something over here said paint desktop version, which is right there on the middle. So you need to double click on that. As you can see on the screen, it is saying paint desktop version. Simply double click on that and change the value from 1 to 0, just like I did over here. Don't worry, this won't harm your computer or do anything else on your safety. And once you're done with that, you need to go to H key local machine, which is right below H key current user, and go to system. Just expand that from there. And once you do that, you need to expand the current control set by clicking on that arrow, by clicking on the drop down arrow on the left of that button. Once you do that, you need to click on services. You need to expand that services option and you will see a lot of files and folders over here. You need to scroll all the way down to S category and find an SVSVC folder over here. And once you click on that, you will find start dword document over here, which you have to double click once again and change the value from 3 to 4. And once again, this won't harm your computer at all. And once you are done with that, you need to again find another folder which is called SPPSVC. I know that sounds really strange. Once you click on that, you need to click on start over here as well, and this time you need to change the value from 2 to 4 over here. Don't get confused, rewind and watch it again, but make sure to fill in the right values in the box. And once you're done, simply exit it out of that. And now you can simply restart your computer and check that if that works or not. If it doesn't, then the method second is always there. The method 2 is a little bit complicated. So first of all, start by opening a text document or a notepad on your desktop and simply open it. And type in this text over here or simply copy it from the description. And once you are done typing the text, simply click on file and click on save as. You can save it anywhere on your computer, but you need to make sure that you rename it like remove.bat. Make sure that this is the name of your file and there is .bat at the end, and change the save type as all files. Once you do that, click on save, but make sure you need to rename it as remove.bat. Once you are done with that, you need to go to the file that you have saved. For me, I have saved it on the desktop in a folder. So simply right click on it and click on run as administrator. Once you do that, it will go all blank on your computer. Something blackish will be happening on your computer, just like this. But don't worry, sit back and stay calm. And once that is done, it will be back to normal. But as you can see, the Activate Windows logo is not gone yet. You need to restart your computer in order for that to work. So simply restart your computer, get back and see that it works or not. For the third method, we have on our list the settings of our computer. So simply right click on your desktop and click on display settings. Once you are here, you need to click on notifications and action bar over there on the left, and you need to find 2 options over here which you have to turn off, which are saying show me the Windows welcome, whatever it is, and get tips and tricks and suggestions as you use Windows option over here. Don't worry, this won't harm your computer or anything on your computer. Simply turn it off, restart your computer and check that that works or not. Now after restarting, you will see that the logo is absolutely gone. I will recommend you to try all the 3 steps and then restart your computer at the end. And here's the proof of before and after. It's not photoshopped. Believe me, this method is absolutely working. You can try this right now. Alright, so I hope that the method that I have shown in the video would work for you. And if they did, then don't forget to turn that like button from grey to blue and subscribe my channel with the notifications turned on for more such videos from this side. So that is all for this video. Catch you in the next one.